Solana price today is $24.42 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.61 billion, market cap of $9.88 billion, and market dominance of 0.83%. The SOL price decreased -1.76% in the last 24 hours. Solana reached its highest price on November 6, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $259.52. While Solana's lowest price was recorded on May 11, 2020, when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.503701. The lowest price since its ADH was $8.12, cycle low. The highest SOL price since the last cycle low was $31.23, cycle high. The Solana price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while fear and greed index is showing 53, neutral. Solana's current circulating supply is 404.37 m SOL out of max supply of 533.68 m SOL. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 16.06%, meaning 55.97 m SOL were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Solana is currently ranked number 3 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, ranked number 2 in the Solana network sector, and ranked number 7 in the Layer 1 sector. Solana is currently worth 24.8400 per coin, which is not what most people think. Yesterday, the price range for the coin was between $24.1600 and $24.9200, and it closed at $24.5300. Compared to the current rates, this shows a change of 0.31%, or 1.26%, in a very important way. US dollars are changed into Sol1. The importance of Solana in the next few months and the near future is something that needs to be looked at. On Monday, July 31, the price of Solana was written down as $23.59, which is a big number. The lease for 25.24 is one thing. But the lease for 21.94 is very different from what most people think. On Tuesday, August 1, the Solana gauge was worth 23.73, which can be seen as a big number. The difference between the value of $25.39 and the lease amount of $22.07 is very important. On Wednesday, August 2, the expected price of Solana went from 21.26 to 24.46, with an average of 22.86, showing that there would be big changes. The price for the Solana hypothesis, which happened on August 3, was 23.55, which was a very high number. The amount of 25.20 leasing 21.90 is really big. On Friday, August 4, the expected price of Solana reached a significant high of 22.43. The amount of midnight was seen as very low, at about 20.86, over a period of several weeks. On Monday, August 7, the Solana gauge was valued at 21.94 units of the Sword of Greatest. The leasing agreement at 23.48 is very nice, especially because of the big size of 20.40. This prediction is especially important. On August 2, the Solana theory was seen to have a price of 22.54, with a high of 24.12 and a low of 20.96. This shows a significant magnitude. On Thursday, August 3, the price range for Solana was from 23.14 to a high of 24.76, with a low of 21.52. This means that the price forecast for Solana was at its best on August 2, when it was 22.86. The amount of $24.46 is basically rented out, and the exact amount is $21.26. On Friday, August 4, the price of Solana hit a major high of 26.84 cents. The amount of $28.72 can be rented out for $24.96 in a small way within a time range of 4 to 14 days. On Monday, August 7, the most people thought that the price of Solana would be around $28.54. while a smaller number thought it would be around $24.80. On Tuesday, August 8, the Solana gauge was priced at $27.63, which can be considered the highest value seen. The value of $29.56 is especially important because it is higher than the minimum threshold of $25.70. On Wednesday, August 9, the expected price of Solana was $26.67. The amount of $29.51 is a fundamental lease, which is shown by the value of $25.65 over a long period of time. The Solana hypothesis, which happened on Monday, August 7, had a price of $21.94, which was a large value. The amount of $23.48 is much higher than the amount of $20.40, which is a very important fact. Thursday, August 10, the Solana gauge hit a price of $26.97, which is the highest value seen. The value of $28.86 is unusually low, and the value of $25.08 is even lower. Also, the appearance in question needs to be carefully looked at. The Solana rumor that happened on August 2 had a price of $22.54, which was the highest price ever seen. Most of the $24.12 total is made up of a lease payment of $20.96. Solana was expected to cost $27.36 on Friday, August 11. This was thought to be the highest price. The rental rate of 29.28 is much lower than the average rate of 25.44 for residential properties in the area. On Wednesday, August 2, the estimated cost of Solana reached a high of 22.54, which shows a high level of importance. The amount of 24.12 has been cut to 20.96, which is a big change in just 3 weeks. On Monday, August 14, the price of the Solana scale was $29.97, which is a big number. Most of the time, the value of 32.07 is higher than or the same as the value of 27.87. The price of Solana is expected to be $30.98 on Tuesday, August 15. This may seem like a high price. 33.15 was leased, and they were especially thought to have leased 28.81. On August 16, the price of Solana hit a high of 30.74 cents, which was its highest value. When compared to the lower value of 28.59, the price of Solana is much higher at 32.89. This shows that its overall value has gone up by a lot. Solana's price is also close to